Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a video on game FS20 means Farming Simulator 20. This is the new game updated version. Continue. So when you enter the game, there is a combine given to you that is of New Holland. And the tractors you got two and the sewing machine and you can just set into the interior means just click a double tap on the screen and you can enter inside the tractor and double click to get out. So you got two tractors and one combine. So I'm going to show the all that things which we can buy. So for first trucks, these are the two trucks for forage harvesters and best technology things, trailers, seeders, tractors, harvesters. This we got now, which will get in present now, which is there. These are the harvesters, tattoo technology, cotton technology, cultivators, sprayers, fertilizer spreaders, celery tankers, or you can say tanks, traders, loading wagons, animals, which we can take things like in this milk, and in this you can take sheeps. We can buy me sheeps and that all. In this also same cows and sheeps. In this you can just buy only horse, just two horses, and this is for spreading that grass which we made, grass and that other all. Celery tanks, loading wool. This is the one car which I think so we can get same pickup trucks in other games like FS20. Also we got one only, so in this also one. And manure spreaders, movers, waders, billing technology, luxury wagons. So I am just going to buy a car and I am going to show you all the things in this. So first, this is prices. These are the six places where you can sell your things. These are the things you can sell. So vehicles we can sell. These are the vehicles which we are having and we can sell over here. So I want to sell the combine. We can sell from here, and it's cutter also. Added means I can sell from here. We can sell from here everything. So now it's finance means how many you have earned or lost. It will show you over here. And settings, this is the time scale means this is the real time means slow time, and this is 45x means very fast time. And this SFX and graphics, mine it's very high, and steering sensitivity 15 and other all. And animals, I have no animals yet. We can sell from here also. And these are the statistics. This is a help from where you can take help how we can play it back. So this is the map. Wait, let me turn off these. So this is our land. Here numbers are written 1 2 3, and this is our tractor, and over here one. And you can see all these are the places where you can sell things. These are the horse. Wait, I will go you and show. So let I am taking the car. So you can sit in the interior also of car, same to double clicks, and you can see it looks really that you are driving in a real car. So I like to drive like this, so I'm going to drive like this. So this is the main place, means where you are all the things like farms are there. So this is the for cows. All places this is for cows, which you can say this. This is for keeping our seeds safe, means storage, manure. This is the loading wagon which you got. Seeds are over here. These are the fertilizers which we can keep. So here are fields, you can see one over here, and second over here you have got two tractors. So I'm going first, we can from where we can buy horses. It's a like a real game. Actually, the car can be fall also, means it can flip backward, like now how it flipped. So from here you can buy horses, cows, and everything. And if you have a grass or anything extra, you can sell over here. This point over here, at this point, you can sell at this, and you can get money in some rupees. You can. Is the map, and this is first place we can where we can sell over here. Name of this place is Darker Bioflakes, and this Big Joe's Farmer gas station also there. So here it's another all. So here also you can sell things. Not over here, sorry, by mistake. Over here you can sell. See, this is the water where you can take drink water and give it to the cows or horses. I will show you the place where we can give water to cows and horses. So we can ride horses also. I will show you if you want. I'm going to show how we can ride horses. Okay. These are the fields, everything, and we can sell over here also. This is a pig's place where we can keep our pigs. Here will manure and another hall. For selling, actually there is another place by mistake I said. Here is parking. Here see, which I was telling you about water, we can just keep over here. See, same design, and it's you can see it's filled with water. See, there are tankers for water, and over here also you can give grass and another all what they are eating. So here you can sell the things, that means everything over here in these three corners, and from here you can get manure. See, it's filled firstly, that you can take for first time. See, this is the manure, that brown color, and here you can fill that. So my next place is horse, where we can keep our horses. So here, see, here is this again same water, and this is the same place, and here also you can get water. See, from here, so you can get water from many places, that for giving to them. So now backside also there is one selling point. Over here, see, here is also one selling point. So now this is the shopping shop where this is the petrol from where you can get the petrol. See, like I can fill petrol from here. And this is the car wash in front where you can wash tractors, cars, or any. And if you will buy any technology or means you can say tractors or any agriculture for machines, I have watched and the rate is shown upside how many it's washed, you can see over here. So if you buy anything it will come over here. So next is same. Then next, wait, I am buying horse and I will show how we can ride horses. So wait, let me buy that horse man. So you can buy horses over here. Animals in this over here. And yeah, they are saying that you can attach more than one. No, it's not possible. You can just add only one, like you're adding, you want to add two harvesters, or you cannot do it because it's not a PC games or any else. So yeah, just there you can add only one, like to harvester or agriculture, like we are sowing seeds or anything else. So I am just going straight over there from where we can buy our horses. Actually this game is very fun, it's like a real. See, from here we can buy. I want horse, so I will take horses. I am going to take black and brown. Black and brown. Confirm. So you can see the two horses are over here. See these two. So now I am going to take them to where we can ride them. Firstly, we'll go to the place where we go. Like we can stay, let them stay. Is there stable? So let us go. So here by mistake it I have done on that sign. So just let us go. See, this is the same place. Actually my car is stuck now. You can see that the tires are rotating because that car, you can see now it's moving. Moving. Now let's go. Now here you can unload. So not over here, I'm showing you the area. So the tires, front tires are also sometimes rotating. So we can unload these over here. See, move and confirm. So you can see the horses are over. So I want to ride them. How we can ride? So go in settings, animals, and see. I am selecting any. I am selecting first one or this. So you can see over here. Double click and it will be. So over here it's a ride option. So I can ride. Now you can see we can ride on this and back also we can do. It is actually pretty fun and you can sell it in more prices by riding it because it's means riding fast it will become. And how you can leave now? Go back again over there in the stable. Because it will be more as we are training them always. So settings, animals. So this was now I can do clean. Sorry, wait. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. I have just cleaned that animal. So I want to do it undry. Let me check. Yes, we have. Just do on next. Firstly, bring like this. You are outside and you cannot like this. I am taking again it outside to confirm that, but it's not working outside. If you will leave the horse and it will show you same time. So wait, it's not turning so fast. Means how other vehicles are. So I'm just taking some far from this. I'm on the road now. So now I'm going to animal, select clean, back. Just it's for clean. Next. So no, now we are again. If we go to stable back, so these are the points like this over here. This is over here. You can stand the horse over here. These two are the fast. From these here, two are the slow. Over here it will be fast. Over here also fast. Now see, if I will turn it and turn this and again it's over there. So like this. So this is the way. Like this I want to sell this trailer, so I will go to vehicles and over here I will sell it. The vehicle is gone like this way. And if I will check finance, see, it's a loss to me today. You can see it's a loss total and it's in minus. So today it's in loss. If you can check in what loss over here, today means new livestocks. This is the way. The game is actually pretty fun. It's actually fun, pretty too good also. It's look like a real. You can see it's actually like a real. And thanks guys for watching the video. So please like and comment that if you want any more video on any another game. So please do comment on that game, which type of game you want. So I'll make video on that. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.